Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Perplexity AI tutorial. Well, basically, Perplexity is an AI answer engine that returns concise source answers and supports free and amazing answers from sources. So all you have to do is just create an account right here. As you can see, this is Perplexity, and you can see here action, voiceover, on-screen text. So if you want to ask a specific question, you just have to click this blank right here. But if you want to unlock features, then you need to upgrade in order for you to use this feature. So again, to start, you just have to click this box right here, empty box, and then ask questions. So you must ask a clear question for practice, and then basically you can read the answer and explore sources. So Perplexity AI will show you these images, will show you the sources for you to recheck everything. As you can see, you can compare the answer of Perplexity AI and ChatGPT. And you can see here that if you're not satisfied, you can use follow-up prompts or clarifying questions. Also, if you want to change the model, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can just upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this feature. So Perplexity AI also offer this different models right here, but you need to unlock first the feature. And basically, that's it. Like what I mentioned earlier, you just have to simply ask a question right here. So you can also upload files and use research with your documents. You can see it right here that you can attach a file, you can upload a picture for reference and so on, but you need to upgrade your plan. For now, you can use Perplexity AI to search for any information and to get wonderful sources that you can use somehow for your project or for your research. And that's how easy it is to use Perplexity AI for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.